Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright, you see? Yeah, so I just presented to you a video that I be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. See, now viewers and subscribers, I am not sure exactly why the police was driving behind the person who was carrying some form of material, now viewers and subscribers, but it look away, see me I say? And if you notice, there are certain words written in the video or so forth. So best of viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I have at least one more video that I'm going to present to you, and I have information about a sad situation, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video shows when a man had been detained or arrested by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, why the man had been arrested or detained by the police in the country of Jamaica, I do not know. You see it? Yeah, the video shows when a police or the police put the man in a police service vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And I would like you to tell me what I think about this video, because this video is being talked about on social media. You see? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with my people. Observe.
Oh, I mean, Mr. Chin, I have my body, Mr. Chin. They know me already, Mr. Chin. They don't know already, Mr. Chin. Hey, Mr. Chin, how can you tell Mr. Chin? I mean, this is the man of criminal, Mr. Chin.
Yeah, it seems as if the man had tried to prove say he's no criminal, is it?
I found why the man come like saying, want to oppress me, Mr. Chin.
Yeah.
You got the man I deal with Mr. Chin.
Let's talk about that for what?
Come on, you got the man I deal with Mr. Chin. And I pull up my hand away and I deal with Mr. Chin. How man I deal with Mr. Aggressive? Come on, talk to you and I talk to you. We have to let the people them know about the injustice. What is injustice? What do you mean what is injustice about this girl? I see when we just walk past her, just drive past her and go in the market. When we just come out the market and buy me things then and I go back down.
Okay.
When we got something that happens. Mr. Chin, we just go out the market, Mr. Chin. You're not aggressive. Mr. Chin, you're a prick now, Mr. Chin.
Yeah, when you say again this up.
So they expect to let a man carry us, so, and if they put it on record, them should have paid a fee.
You hear somebody in the background of the video say? Hold on.
Sir,
Why
The man can't let him kill us, so.
I'm my best.
Hey, you know what? I'm not here. I'm not here coming on the car. I'm sorry.
Alright, you say.
Justice for better. The man know what I want.
My people, in the video, the man said some things that seems as if he was trying to prove that he's no farmer criminal. Yes, what I say? Yeah, and in my point of view, it seems as if he cooperated with the police or he went with the police willfully. Yes, what I say, my people? You see? Yeah. Look, me is the kind of person, you know, I respect the rules and the laws of my country and I respect police, but sometimes me see some things happen that make me have to question if proper policing are going. You understand? But hear me I say no, my people, see? Me I gonna say some things and I want you to tell me if I am wrong or if I'm right, you see? And the things that I am about to say, I'm not saying that these things happen, but I want you to tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right, see? Now, if a motorist had been wrongfully detained or arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica, and if while the person was in police custody, the police decided to put the person's motor vehicle on a record to bring to wherever police carry motor vehicles to that have been seized by the police or for certain reasons, I think that the motorist should not pay for the record fee if the motorist had been wrongfully detained or arrested. See? Now, I don't know if there are certain rules or laws about a situation like that where a motorist who had been wrongfully detained and his motor vehicle had been placed on a record by the police that would allow the motorist to go free without paying. I don't know. You see me, but me just tell you what I think. I'm not saying that these things happen pertaining to the situation shown in the video. So me I say viewers and subscribers, but would I like if you tell me what you think about a situation like that. So me I say you can tell me if me wrong or if me right. You can also educate me, no viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, because I'm not Mr. Know It All. You see? But me just say these things because me hear someone said something in the video pertaining to what I'm talking about. You understand? But you know, I just one of them situations, the viewers and subscribers. The video has been talked about on social media and I presented the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself and you can also let me know what you think. You see? Yeah, and with that, I'm going to move on to another topic, and this topic is about a sad situation, viewers and subscribers. You see? Now, I got information that a person who goes by the name of lling had been shot and killed somewhere within West Kingston, Jamaica on the 22nd of April year 2022. According to more than one news articles that I read, it is said that lling is said to be a national under-19 football player and a Cavalier football club striker. See, according to at least one news article that I read, it is said that lling was the leading goal scorer for St. Andrew Technical High School last year, that's the year 2021, in the ISA Digicel Manning Cup competition. See, according to another news article that I read, it is said that lling was celebrating his birthday when he was shot and killed. Now, when it comes down to a person's birthday, and viewers and subscribers, there are some people who will celebrate their birthday on the birthday itself. Yes, I say you have some people who will celebrate their birthday before and even after their birthday. You understand? So, you know, you have people who celebrate their birthday in different ways. Yes, I say this is really a sad situation, you know. So according to one news article that I read, it is said that lling had been shot on Charles Street in West Kingston, Jamaica on the 22nd of April year 2022, and according to another news article that I read, it is said that lling had been shot within the intersection of Charles and Orange Street in West Kingston, Jamaica. You see it? So some news articles give similar information while some might give different information. You see me? Because according to one news article that I read, I got the understanding that the news article said that lling had been shot and killed during a drive-by shooting incident, and another news article said that lling had been shot and killed. Yes, so I say viewers and subscribers, and according to another news article, it is said that his attackers escaped within the area, and one news article said that Leng had been rushed to a hospital where he had been pronounced dead. Is it? So I'm just giving the information according to I got those information, and I hope that this video was somewhat informative. This is really a sad situation, you see? It's really a sad situation, alright? Anyways, my people, I just am going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?